1940. Mambo, 7 and 1 and 3 and 5. Kick and twist, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 3, 4, 5. Chasse and 1 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 1 and 3 and mambo and 7 and 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. Mambo from Mexico, 7 and wagaram, pagaram, 3 changadam, wagaram, pagaram, pagarikan, piriki, paragan, paragaram, piriki, kagaram, mambo y param, paga, 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 and then mambo from New York, 5 and 6 and 7. Tuk-tuk, tuk-tuk, para, tuk-tuk, mambo, 6 and 7, and 1 and 3, 4, forward and back, 7, and 1 and 3, and 5, and 6 and 7, and 1 and 3, and mambo, 6 and 7, and 1 and 3, and 5, 7, and 1 and 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, and ahora con el tapa. Rum, tum, ta. Empezamos con la patada y después se pega. Y, ra, y caga, mam, boom, y ca, patada, boom, y bam, y 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1 and 3, 4, 6, 7, y 1 and 3, 5, aga, mambo, y ca, y 1 and 3, and 5, go, y 1 and 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7, and and the evolution that mambo talk in New York around the 70s and the 80s and the 90s and 2000 and 1 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 1 and 3 and 5 boom and 3 again A1 and 3 and 5 forward listen 1 and 3 and 5 1 and 3 and 5 mambo 1 and 3 basic 1 and 3 5 6 and 7 and 1 2 3 5 and 6 and 7 okay now normally we start this step with the swing step. So we go like this, basic, and 1, 2, 3, swing step, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 3, mambo, 5 to the right, 7, 1 and 3, diagonal, 7, 1 and 3, 5, forward and back, 1 and 3, diagonal, 5, 7, 1 and 3, 5, forward and back, 1 and 3, 5, mambo, 1 and 3, and 5 and 7. And also, if you don't notice it yet, we were talking about the evolution of mambo and salsa in general since the beginning. And since the beginning, we were doing, can we quiet in the room a little bit, please? Thank you very much. Since the beginning, we were doing African, Afro-Cuban, and contemporary and jazz techniques and all the evolution of the salsa. So for those people that always say that Afro-Cuban doesn't mix with mambo and dance techniques like ballroom, jazz, ballet, and contemporary dance technique doesn't mix with salsa or mambo, with all respect, I'm letting you know, guys, that it wasn't like that since the beginning. We have been mixing since long time ago. If we pay attention in this one and this one, if we pay attention in 2 and 3 and 4, this is a lot of ballet and Martha Graham techniques. So they go from this position to the 4th position, and then they come back to the 2nd position, and the demi-plie, they switch the way. This is like a ¿qué position is? Second. The first position. Preposition. Second preposition. Yeah. We just rotate the torso. We just rotate the palms, and we just get this position. It makes sense? And also this is a lot of Martha Graham too. So we have been mixing all these techniques in long time ago when we talk about Afro-Cuban roots too. When Bersy and I were talking about when we do the swing step, it's exactly the same thing that we do. Mira, vamos al frente y atrás nada más. Y rum, igum, inging, igum, iging. We just put this curse like this, like a custom. But it's exactly the same root, right? When we do the swing step, vamos, swing step, con tu golpe es 5, 6, 7, 1 and 3, 4, otra vez, 7, 1 and 3. This is a only jump, so from here, we are coming from this movement to this movement. It makes sense? So, it doesn't make sense that we say that dance contemporary or ballet or jazz or Afro-Cuban, we don't have to mix it with salsa because we have been doing it since long time ago. So that's why it's very important to know about the history, to know about the roots, to know about where everything is coming from before to say something like that. And one time we just accept that everything have been mixing since long time ago, then our minds will be open and then we'll be bigger as a person because we will want more knowledge. And the knowledge create bigger persons and bigger dancers too. So let's just try to be more addicted to the knowledge and let's try to mix everything. It's possible. It doesn't have to be in one way for everything. It could be, but it doesn't have to be. Yeah? Thank you so much for coming, guys. Thank you.